You measure garlic with your heart. Not by what the recipe says. If the recipe says 2, you do. That's a lot of garlic. Can you smell that? Whew.
How many are you putting in there?
It's a lot.
In the car, into the.
I'm probably gonna put in like 6 because there's 3 of us having garlic. So we all have the same amount of stinky garlic breath. So this is a behind the scenes look in the kitchen, what I'm gonna cook for Jackie. Jackie is to my right over here. She's working. Did you see this hand? So this is like behind the scene what goes on. You'll see Chef Marzia cook for Jackie all weekend. So usually it's the other way around, but now it's Chef Marzia in the kitchen for Jackie. So tonight we are having mushrooms, lentils, asparagus, and potatoes. And my husband is having the same thing, except for he doesn't like mushrooms, so we are going to substitute it with Gardein, these little faux chicken things. So he's going to have that, while Jackie and I have lentils and mushrooms. So here we go. Okay, so I'm setting everything up, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the oven at bake at 400 for the potatoes. So since the potatoes are going to take the longest, I am going to set those up first. And since there's 3 of us eating, I'm going to make 4 potatoes, and I'm gonna wash these real good and chop them, and then I'm gonna put them in the copper crisper. I can never say that right, it's like a tongue twister. In my copper crisper, and for about 35 minutes. And while this is cooking, I will be cooking the rest of the stuff, so.
Look at those chopping skills.
Chopping.
Chopping lapa.
I wish I was that good. Not that good, guys, sorry. I don't like to peel them, but I'll chop them.
It's kind of therapeutic because you gotta
Voila!
concentrate.
All right, so what I do.
Look at all those
like
potatoes.
Potatoes.
Potatoes for days.
Let me say it all day, yo. What's that song again?
Potatoes.
Potatoes, I'll eat them all day, yo. Potatoes.
Potatoes for days.
Let me say it all day, yo. I'm gonna just stack a little bit on her like that. And then this will be ready in 400 degrees. So then I'll put this in the oven for like 25-30 minutes. So the next thing, asparagus. Gotta clean the asparagus. I'm not the cleanest cooker here.
Big asparagus.
It's freaking big asparagus for sure. But love me some asparagus. Oops, man down. We're always cooking, food's flying everywhere. You gotta pick it up for the dog does though. Because some foods they're not allowed to eat. Like onions, they're not allowed to eat onions.
Can they eat asparagus?
I think so, yeah. Wonder if they have stinky pee like humans. Things that make you go, hmm.
Right? Comment below. Let us know
Let
if
us
they
know.
do.
Do dogs have stinky pee? I don't know. If they eat asparagus, you want to find out? No. Okay, this mushroom goodness. Putting it in this pan. So me and Jackie will split this.
You guys.
This is mushroom medley at Trader Joe's.
It's so delicious.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat this up with this lentils so that way both of them are together. So we'll have the lentils with this.
Nice and hearty.
Yes. So this will be Jackie and I's main part of the meal. And then my husband will be having these little lightly seasoned chicken scallopinis. Like, how do we even cook these things? Saute from frozen, 1 or 2 tablespoons. So you guys know that I don't use oil. I'm gonna use low sodium veggie broth. That is my oil. And so I'm just gonna cook 2 of these in there for you. Oh my gosh.
What's oh my gosh?
They're hard to get out.
Oh.
Like, dang it. These little frozen patties. Okay, so that's for the hubs. And then for all of us, I am going to make low sodium veggie broth. We got some garlic right here. You know me and the garlic, I'm stingy. I love a lot of garlic. So we are going to do sauteed with these ginormous asparagus. Like, do they even fit in here?
They'll shrink up a little bit.
We'll shrink up a little. So anyway, so that's cooking in there. I'll put a little bit of sea salt. Just a little sea salt. Let that saute a little bit. Might have to put the lid on it for a little bit, just so it steams up.
We got everything going. We got the asparagus on the left. On the right, we've got the mushrooms and the lentils. And then the top right, the Gardein chicken.
Yes.
And the potatoes are finishing in the oven.
10 minutes left on the potatoes. It's perfect time to do the rest of it. But oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good.
So good.
I can smell it. Oh my gosh.
All right.
It's getting
How's
close.
this looking?
Everything smells good. I wish there was a smell button, but unfortunately there's not. So these are almost done. My husband's nowhere in sight. He usually likes to eat it hot, so you better hurry home.
Right?
So, and then this is for Jackie and I. Oh my gosh. Lentils. We got the mushrooms, the medley. Has parsley and some sea salt in there.
Guys, look how good that is. Look how good that looks.
Oh. And look at this. Oh my gosh.
All right, that is just about perfection.
I know, right? And then I'm thinking might be 2 minutes left, but look at this. Those potatoes.
Oh, they're looking pretty good, huh? Nice.
Almost ready.
All right, you guys, Marzia just gave me my plate. She actually like created the whole plate and everything. This is so good. So we've got the mushrooms and lentils, the potatoes, and the asparagus. And she's got us a little ketchup too. I actually have to say, I'm like obsessed with the colors of the sunset in the video. It looks so pretty.
Oh my goodness. Wow, we look like we're like a card, like the heads are cut off, you know, in the background.
Right? But I'm so excited for this food, for the dinner. I wish you guys could taste this.
Yeah, so let me give you a little sneak peek. So here's a closer up of it. This is the lentil mushroom medley. There's Rocky Cups in the background. You got our asparagus and our potatoes.
Potatoes.
You guys, look at this meal. Tons of fiber. This is whole food, plant-based.